Hi MW friends, I'm finally home and I just wanted to share to you guys that this is how I look. This is the makeup that I applied early in the morning around 7:30 a.m. And you know how busy my morning was. I went to and from school, I transferred here. And I had breakfast at a restaurant in Banawe and the restaurant was super duper mainit. As in, sira yata yung aircon nila. So, this is how hulas my look is. But, as you can see, the blush is still there. And I am loving this blush. I had this blush for almost a year now and I even blogged about this. I knew it's good way back. I knew it's nice, but it's not something that I would pick every day because I have a lot of blushes. But now I realize I've been using this on a daily basis. So now I'm sharing to you the brand because some of you asked me over DM what this blush is. This is from Mary Kay. So this is in a refill packaging. So you can actually purchase a magnetic palette. So here's how it looks like. So I had it for a year now almost. The reason why I guess I've been picking this up, it's because of this highlighting blush. And this is actually in Ripe Watermelon. So as you all know, I'm not a pink girl when it comes to blush, but I can actually tone down this matte pink color with this. So I'll show you. Nagkalat ako ng makeup. Wait, ayan. I'll show you. So this is the pink blush. It's highly pigmented. So I'll apply it on top. You see how pigmented it is? And it's very matte. Ayan. So some of you like this. And I turn on the lights for you to see. So as you can see, it's very pigmented. Some of you like it this way. I don't. So what I do is I use the highlighting powder, which is a sparkly pink, and apply it on top. So now as you can see, mas soft focus siya and you don't see much of those demarcation marks. So mas natural siya and I love the sheen. Uso kasi siya this year. For me, I personally think it should be uso. I like blush. I like blush that makes your skin looks healthy. So now whatever blush I use, di ba nag-uso yung matte blush? So even if I have a lot of matte blushes, I use it alone and then top it with something else like a highlighting powder na hindi masyadong shimmery. So as you can see, I use this more than the pink one because I actually use any of my matte blushes and top it with this one. So if you're looking for something like this, I'm sure there are a lot of eyeshadows, mga pale pink na shimmery shadows, or even peach colored. Depends on what you're looking for. But for me, mas highlighting effect ang pink undertone. You know, like the Benefit What's Up. Diba medyo pink siya? So yun, if you're a blush girl and you wanted to purchase another blush but you think you have too much, maybe just invest on a highlighter for the cheeks. And when I say a highlighter, hindi siya yung bonggang highlighter. It's more of a subtle highlighter to be applied on top of your blush. So that's it, AMW friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick and easy beauty tip. For today, it's focus on the blush. Next time, I'll think of other things. Do ask me questions if you have to help me out so that I will share more beauty tips to you. Have a great day!